Please subscribe and press the bell icon near subscribe button to get notification about my new videos. Hello everybody, I am Anjali and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make stand collar like this for your dresses or for your kurtis. So yeah, this is really easy to make. So let's get started. But if in case you are watching my video for the first time and you're new to my channel, then please go and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. So here is my neckline. This is 4-inch long neckline and width is 6 inch. At the front side I have given this placket, and here I'm going to attach my collar. So first I'm going to fold it like this, and then I will measure the area where I'm going to attach the collar. So first I will measure this part. So mine is 9 inch. So here I have this buckram. I will fold this in half like this. So this is 4.7 inch long and 8.5 inch wide. So this is not 9 inch wide because my fabric is 9 inch, but not to worry, it will be managed. So from this side, from the down part, I'm taking 1.1 inch, and from here also, from the side, I'm going to take 1.1 inch, and I'll mark a point, and then I'll join these 2 points with a curve. Now from this line, I'll take 1.1 inch of marking, and I will mark all over here. So this will be the length of my collar. So this is your choice how long you want your collar to be, how tall actually. Now join these points and make a curve. Now I'll cut this out. Cut from another side also like this. So after cutting this, it is looking like this. Here my buckram is like this. Now I will measure it again. Now here you can see this is more than 9 inch. This is absolutely okay. If you are getting little bit extra, you can cut this extra. You can make 9 inch because the measurement of my collar was 9 inch. That's why I should cut it. But here I'm taking this extra one also. Now I will take the fabric and I will place my buckram on this. I'll pin this first so that it will not move. Now I'm going to cut the fabric. I'll take around 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch extra fabric from the sides here like this. From the another side also I'm going to cut the fabric. Again I'm taking 1/2 inch extra fabric from the sides. Here my fabric is ready with the buckram. I need one more fabric like this, so I am placing it on the fabric once again, and I'll cut one more. So here I have the 2 pieces of fabric and 1 piece of buckram. Now I will place my buckram on the fabric like this, and from one side, from this outer side, I will fold the fabric and I'll give a stitch. So here you can see I am folding the fabric from one side and I'm giving the stitch. Here my stitch is done and it's looking like this. Now I'll take the another strip and I will place it on each other, and then I'll give stitch from here, and then I'll take my stitch all over the neckline, all over the collar, and I will complete my stitch to the another end. So here you can see I'm taking very little bit of the buckram and then I'm giving the stitch. So here my stitch is done. Here you can see now I'm cutting this extra fabric. Cut this extra fabric. From the corners you can give small cuts. Now just turn it to the right side like this. Take out the corners properly. So here you can see my collar is looking like this. Now this part will be attached to the neckline. Take this part and then place it on the right side of your neckline. So facing both the right sides together, I'm going to give stitch from here. And then I'll pin this so that my work will be a little easy. And now when I will turn it, it will look something like this. So here you can see I'm giving stitch. I'm giving stitch to the collar and the neckline and I'm joining both the pieces together. So here you can see at the end I'm getting this 1 inch of extra collar, so nothing to worry about it. I'm going to mark the exact measurement of my collar that I want for my neckline, and then I'm giving this shape that I have got here. Now we'll open this stitch from the sides. So here you can see my stitch is opened like this. Now I will lock this stitch here and I will take out the stitch like this. Now here you can see from the marking I will cut this extra collar and then I will reset the fabric like this, and then I'm going to cut this extra fabric also. I'll take little bit of extra fabric for the stitching. Now here I am going to give the stitch in a similar way. So here I am giving the stitch and I am closing the collar in a similar way that I have done earlier. Now here you can see my collar is done and I am taking it out and taking out the corner properly. Now my collar has the exact measurement of my neckline. Now I'm joining it in a regular way. So this is a small tip. If you are getting little bit of extra collar, little bit of extra fabric at the end, you can manage it like this. Nothing to panic about it. So these are the small things that you should learn while stitching. Now here you can see my collar is done. Now I'm taking this part to the wrong side of the dress like this. Now take this part to inside the collar and then give a stitch all over the collar. Here you can see I'm taking this stitch to the inside and then from the top side of the collar I'm giving the stitch. So this kind of collar is really easy to make, but you really need practice. Here my stitch is done and my collar is complete. You can see the stitch from inside. This is perfect. And from the front side, my collar is looking like this. You can give a nice iron here, and then you can attach some buttons here, and like this your stand collar is ready to wear. So if you like this video and you learned something new from this, then please go and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And also you can follow me on my Instagram account also. All the links are below in the description box. Please go and follow me on my Instagram because I upload all my stitching related stories and pictures there. So you are really going to have a good time. So yeah, I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.